This evening, a call for greater help for farmers who say the lack of adequate government support is contributing to the declining interest in agriculture. TVJ's Krista Campbell reports.
I think when my age group die out, we're going to suffer from a drought in this country because the young people are not going to farming.
Concerns from a farmer in Portland who laments that successive governments have not done enough over the years to make farming more attractive to young people. Duke Cuthbert pointed to the College for Agriculture, Science and Education case in Portland, which he says has not made a satisfactory mark in getting its graduates to enter farming. We put the issue to Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw.
I'm going to be using, for instance, the agro-industrial parks that we have established and the plan that I have for self-sufficiency in food production for school feeding, for instance. I mentioned the pumpkin orchard, the sweet potato, stuff like that. I'm going to be looking into all of these things because if the young people see that it's a profitable opportunity, they will clutch on.
Meanwhile, the Portland farmer also laments that the lack of adequate financial support makes the agriculture sector less appealing.
One time, me know when I was small, I used to get a loan. I used to have people come in their project. You want to go in banana farming, you can get a little loan to borrow, or you plant it, and then when the banana come in, you bring it to the wharf, and they draw a little thing back out of it, and eventually, by the time you take a stock, you pay back for it, and you can stand on your own.
We have developed a partial credit guaranteed scheme through the TVJ, and we have to work more diligently to get cheaper funds to farmers.
The agriculture minister says he's also looking at ways to use dormant funds in commercial banks, which by law are paid over to central government after 15 years.
You could create a fund and channel low interest money to farmers and small business people to give them a better chance at survival, of being successful. Instead of them having to pay 10 and 15% to a commercial bank, you offer them money at 5 or 6% interest rate.
Until that happens, Duke Cuthbert says he's trying on his own to survive the challenges of the agriculture sector, turning to red callaloo, which he says is more resistant to a new disease which has been affecting vegetable crops for the past year.
It is genetically modified. It's a cross between beetroot and callaloo. It has a beetroot flavor, and it's also resistable to insect more than our regular callaloo. It does well in the wintertime as to the regular callaloo, so you can plant it right through the year.
He says he's trying to find a market for the new crop. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.